Okay, bismillah. Hari ni I nak buat, insyaAllah I nak buat sup ayam tapi guna ayam Baker's Cottage. Okay. So inside the pot, ini I'm using multi-purpose pressure cooker brand E1. Okay, you should buy one. Okay. So the onion and the garlic is already crispy. Okay. So I'm going to add, this is the chicken flesh, okay, and this one is the carcass, tulang-tulang ayam, okay, this one is tulang-tulang ayam, and this one is the isi ayam, okay. But I want to add the water first. Bismillah. Okay, and then yang this one dia ada ayam tu punya, what do you call this, juices kan, this one. Okay, so I'm adding just a little bit of water. Okay, something like that, and then you shake it, you shake a little bit. Alright, and then you put inside the pot. Okay, I'm using one hand, it's quite difficult. Alright, so if you want to add more water, it's up to you. And then I'll add the chicken juices. It's a jelly. There's a lot of collagens. Okay, so dia still lagi apa ni? What do you call that? I have to use a wooden spoon lah. Sekejap ya.